The first is definitely one of those positive things because NetApp is expanding its VMware disaster recovery capabilities with the acquisition of JetStream Software. JetStream continuously replicates VMware workloads to lower cost cloud object storage, helping companies recover systems without maintaining a fully provisioned standby environment. The technology can also help businesses gradually migrate VMware workloads into the cloud. Al, would cloud based disaster recovery make you more likely to move VMware workloads to the cloud?
I think cloud-based DR is a great thing to have. It's the ability to recover into a data center that you haven't had to maintain all the time. And the big differentiator for this JetStream capability is that you not only don't need to maintain the data center, you also don't need to maintain a whole bunch of virtualization hosts that are going to be the destination for this recovery. And other solutions, VMware's own Site Recovery Manager, you're replicating from live virtualization platform to live virtualization platform, and you're paying for the resources of both of those all the time. And NetApp still would love you to do that as well, because this is just adding to the portfolio of possible recovery solutions. I've always liked solutions that give me options, that allow me to choose to get the right level of availability for the applications, the workloads that I have. Often that granularity isn't at the virtualization cluster level, it is at the individual virtual machine level. So there may be some wrinkles in here around which bits you provide availability in which way. In terms of this as part of a migration, we know lots of customers are changing how they're consuming virtual machines, whether they're doing this by moving maybe to a cloud provider that'll run their virtual machines, their VMware virtual machines for them, whether they're doing it as a way of getting off VMware virtual machines onto some other platform. What capabilities JetStream and NetApp together are going to offer here, yet to be written. I think there's definitely having more options about how you protect workloads and how you manage the cost of protecting those workloads is important, and having the ability to migrate workloads from one place to another. One of the things to have in mind for this is because this particular replication is replicating to object storage, you're not going to run virtual machines directly off that object storage. And so that migration from site to site is going to involve two data copies, one to get the data up into the object storage and a second one to get it to wherever the final running virtual machine is going to be. So this kind of replication to me is not the best way of doing a location to location migration. I typically want a faster switch over between, but it's a good thing to have in your back pocket as another option.